Very good evening traders, welcome to MST School of Trading. We have given a very good update in our indicator MST iCore 2.0 Advanced Trading System, that is ATS, version 13 August 2023. So most of you have asked me what is the update you have given, please explain how to use that. So I will be explaining you about the updates given. So later I will tell you how to use them in a one-on-one training. So some special tips will be given only to the subscribers, not for all the one. Okay, now once you have subscribed to our indicator, what is the first step you have to do? Go to the indicator. See here, I am just keeping my cursor on the indicator. Go here, click on it and go to invite only. So if you see in the indicators metrics and strategy, at the bottom, left bottom, you can see invite only. Now once you have subscribed for our indicator, our indicators will be available in your system. So now just click on the indicator. Only once is enough. That's all. So now if you are subscribing to iCore 2.0, you will be also getting iTrend 2.0 as well as MTF iCore 2.0 as complementary. So we are not charging for these two, we are charging only for this iCore 2.0. And these two indicators will be giving only for lifetime customers. Okay, as a complementary. Okay, now what is our basic setting? What is our basic setting? Whenever market is opened, we will be getting these four lines: top side 2 lines, bottom side 2 lines, and mid side 1 point. So these lines we will be getting. If the market is going to the upper side, to the supply zone, we will be selling from there. If the market is coming down to the buy zone, we will be buying from there. That's all. Very simple. Once again I explaining you what we are doing when the market is open. So now if we see this clearly, I will be mentioning you, this is the sell zone or supply zone. Clear? And what is the next one? Come down to the bottom side. If you see here, this we call it as demand zone or buy zone. Demand zone or buy zone. So our indicator will be working only purely based on the support and resistance, but these support and resistance are not available in any other system. Somebody may say it looks like Camarilla, somebody may say it looks like what it is, GAN levels, but it is not so. It is exactly opposite to all those entries, because we have used many machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning concept into this system. So when the market is open, these lines, if you see, this looks like a ladder, staircase, or these lines, these three lines are learned by the system. Okay, whatever the algorithm we have fed into the system, that has been analyzed by the system so that it will give the pure a straight line. So now there are 2 to 3 methods which we can use in this system. The first one is, whenever the market is coming down to this side, we have to buy. See here, we have not got the entry on Friday because it was a very choppy market. So only at late evening, after 3 o'clock only, we got the entry in the default mode. So whenever we don't get the entry, or you cannot trade in the morning session, what you can do, go to the indicator settings, scroll down, see here, I have given something called market type. Select market type, go here and select the next session. What is the next session? Next session is noon market. Next session is noon market. and see here what happened. So perfectly our buy entry got activated, and before that sell entry got activated. So both sides we have got the profit. I will just zoom it. Both sides we have got the target hit. So this is our supply zone and this is our demand zone. So if you want the midpoint here, okay, the midpoint of these two level, go here and to the settings. DTP means top side midpoint. See, if you enable DTP, you can see one midline will be coming here. See here it has come. Then what is DBP? That is the bottom midpoint. And what about this manual line drawing? Suppose if you know any mathematics calculation, if you feel that market will not cross 45,000 today, or 45,000 is very, some astrology number, some important number, then you can just enter that number and enable this. Automatically the lines will be formed for you. So now we have got the entries. First what we got? First we got the buy entry. Once the buy or sell is activated, go to the settings, scroll down. If buy activated, remove the sell. If sell activated, remove the buy. Per day only one trade, one side only we have to trade. If buy side SL hit, go for the reversal entry. If sell side SL hit, go for the reversal entry. So now it is very simple to trade. See here, buy activated, perfectly target hit. So though yesterday was very choppy market, it's everyone were crying because of the premium decay, but our target has been hit. We got the perfect entry and we got the perfect target. So this is the simplest method you can follow at any day. Even if it is some budget day or some other events day, whatever it is, you don't have to worry. Simply follow. Whenever market is coming down here, you can take the trade. And what about the other method? Many people are asking, sir, sometime when the market is very trending, it will go to the sell side and the SL will hit, then we are going to second buy and we are getting the profit. So that is how it is happening. How to avoid such a trade? So that's why we have taught you some R3C technique. So in R3C, you will have to find the candles manually. So now what we have done, we have simplified the thing so that automatically the system will identify everything. Okay, you enable the RC. You can give the percentage of calculation as per your wish. You can give 30, 40, 50 and whatever. Then you can give confirmation candle, that is CC. And one more thing, we have given giant candle or Bahubali candle. So now these three candles will be automatically spotted by the system. So now how to trade this? Importantly, you should know what is meant by market reversal. What is meant by market reversal? What market reversal means? See, this candle indicates the bullish power, whereas this doji candle indicates indecision making. There is no decision. We cannot make any decision when the doji candle has come. So if you see here, only RC has come, but there is no CC, because there is a RC confirmed, but there is no CC. CC means confirmation candle. It is not confirmed. But if you see at this place, at the top side, what you can see, this candle is a RC followed by we have one CC. CC is the confirmation candle. Now what you have to do, mark the high of this candle and low of these two candles. Whichever is lower, that you have to take, whichever is higher, that you have to take, just to mark. So now you can take once the market is breaking the low of the second candle, or you can wait till the market is giving one retracement of this candle, 50% of this candle. Okay, so now after retracement, market again has touched the midpoint, so there you can take 44,400 put option. Exactly, we have shown you on Friday that I have taken 44,400 at 69 rupees. 69 rupees, and after that market was falling like anything. See here, we have been getting full profit. So where you can fix your target, our buy zone will be your target immediately, because there are high chances that market will be reversing from our buy zone. So after that, if you see any RC and CC, that is R3C pattern, see here we are getting one RC, here we are getting one CC, and before that we are getting a confirmation there is a Bahubali bearish candle. So it is showing you that market is going to fall. Here also it is showing that market is going to fall. So here also it is showing that it is a R3C pattern. So continuously we are getting all the confirmation to get the profit. See here, this candle is a Giant candle, this is an R3C candle. So perfectly we could wait for more profit in the put option. And after that, if you see here this candle, and before that also we have got one R3C here, this R3C, and this is the confirmation key, confirmation C. So now mark this low and mark this high. Once the low of this candle is broken, we should go for the sell entry. But see here, whether low is broken or not, low is not broken, only high is broken. So we can go for the buy entry as per this R3C. But after that, there is one more R3C formed here. This is R3C and this is confirmation key, and one more is Bahubali candle, Giant candle also we have formed. And we have got 3 consecutive signal and confirmation that we should go for the buy entry. Also it is taking support from our buy zone. So we are getting many confirmation to get call option trading at this junction, and this candle is giving a signal that you should wait for the more profit. You should wait for more profit. Okay, hope it is clear. See the profit. So all before with naked strategy we were in a buy trend, we got the profit. If you are using this R3C method, then also we sold one, we bought a put option, we were in a good profit. And after that, after 3 o'clock we got very good call entry here. So from here to here we got the profit. See here, it is exactly touching our support zone and going to the next level. From here to here we are getting the profit. So hope it is clear. Now I will explain you one more concept, when to avoid the trade. When to avoid the trade. For example, I will keep it in 3 minutes time frame for better understanding. See here, morning I will give reset settings and I will enable this only Giant candle. See this candle, it was even day. When the market, when the sell entry was activated here, I will show in 1 minute also. If you are having access to premium one, you can check in 30 seconds also, no issue. Please listen carefully, I am going to tell you when to avoid the trade. See this candle. So from 9:15 to 10 o'clock market was very choppy. At 10:05 market got immediately jumped and our sell entry got activated. But what to do? If you are not following any other filtering techniques, you can simply sell call option or buy put option and wait for the target with a sell and target. Suppose if you want to do some filtering method, see here this candle is showing you the power of bullish, the buyers, the power of buyers. So now we have to wait for some method. First method is go here, go to the settings. In the time frame, you can change it to 3D or 2D. Just to extend the level, because I have told you about kabaddi play. What will the kabaddi players will do? They will let the people to come deeper and deeper, then only they will catch the people. Similarly, here we have to let the candles to come to our area, then we have to make them to lose their energy. When they completely lost their energy, there is no other way that they have to follow our indicator. So now they are coming to our level. Here we have to wait for one confirmation candle, R3C or CC something. So go here. If you are using in 1 minute time frame, you can use the settings 30. Okay, the RC candle you can use 30 for 1 minute. For higher time frame, you can use accordingly. You have to check, right? You can do back testing, then you can decide. See here, I will just zoom it out. See, this candle is a confirmation candle, RC, and one more RC and confirmation. So now mark the high of this candle and low of this candle. Which candle? This candle. Since we got one more R3C, so our high will be moved down to this area. So now what you have to do, when the low is broken, here it is broken, right? Then we have to wait for the midpoint of the breaking candle. This is the breaking candle midpoint. So now you have to take the entry. So here it got activated. Here also got activated. And after that we are getting continuously confirmation that market is going to fall. So we should be waiting for the targets. So when you are getting a profit, what to do? You can sell 50% of the quantity at first target. The remaining 50% you can keep for the more targets by revising the stop loss. So this is how you have to trade. And another important point, here when it is coming down to touch our buy zone, don't go for immediately buy entry, because already we are in a profit, right? As per the logic of the strategy, when the buy is activated, we should not go for the sell. When the sell is activated, we should not go for the buy. Also, if you see here, continuously we are getting R3C pattern. Continuously we are getting R3C pattern. So what to do here? Go here further and change to W or 5D, 6D, you can just change. Which means what? We are just we are letting the kabaddi players to come into our goal. Then we are going to catch them. So don't forget. So you can like that. Likewise, you can keep changing your time frame. Otherwise, scroll down. Here we have given our next level support and resistance. So if you are an option seller, once the market is open, blindly what you can do, sell this put option and sell this call option. Wait for the profit or end of the day. At the end of the day, you will be getting 100% profit. Very simple logic. Sell the call option, buy sell this put option also. For safety, what you can do, the second line, the second buy, that call option you can buy, and second this block level you can buy this put option buy. Sorry, this level. I think I have not enabled. I will 1 second enable. Scroll down and see where it is. Yeah. See these block lines, it is our supply zone and demand zone. So in the morning market is open, so this first call option you have to sell, this first line put option you have to sell, this second line call option you have to buy, and this bottom second line put option you have to buy. So if you see that our investment capital also, required capital also will be very less, so margin benefit you will be getting. Also if the market is moving one side, we will be getting profit, the loss will be very limited. So this is the way we can trade. So how many methods I have taught you today? First one, just with the default mode we have to trade. Just go here and give the reset settings. Clear? Reset settings. You can keep any time frame, it is not a matter. So in default settings, here sell activated, targets hit. Clear? Here buy activated, here no buy activated, but market closed, but we were in a profit. So if the signal is not generated in default mode, go to the next market type, known market. Buy activated, target hit, sell activated, target hit. Clear? Buy activated, target hit, sell activated, target, again buy activated, half the target hit. So this is how you have to trade. So with respect to our SL, you can keep very tiny SL, small SL, it is up to you. Because hereafter we are going to trade along with one more confirmation, that is R3C. Along with one more confirmation, that is R3C, do not forget. So you can enable RC, CC. Sometime the CC will not come and sometime the RC also will not come. But if you know the logic, then you can just be looking at the candle, you can trade. But when is the powerful, this R3 method, when will be the powerful? Only it is supporting our support and resistance level. When it is coming to our sell zone, sell is more valid. When it is coming to our buy zone, buy is more valid. Okay. So if you are a scalper trader, you can keep in 1 minute time frame. So if you want to make some consistent profit, and if you are not a scalper, one day one trade means you can go with the 3 minutes or 5 minutes method. Clear? So now this is an R3C, and immediate next candle, it is not a red candle, it is a green candle. Okay, but this candle indicates market is going to fall. This candle indicates market is going upside. So this is a false signal. Otherwise what you can do, you can mark the high of this candle and low of this candle. Whichever side is first breaks, that side you can trade. Clear? Next side, here see RC, but there is no CC. There is no confirmation candle here, but RC is there. So now if you want to trade, we are not supposed to trade. If you want to trade for sure, then mark the high of these two candles. Whichever side is broken, that side you can trade. And what about here? See here, this candle is the doji. Continuous two dojis are there. And next candle is our sell side breakout candle. So mark this low and high of those two doji. Once the low is broken, go for the sell entry. So this is the way you have to analyze the market. And this candle you see here at 3 o'clock, this is the RC. Immediately we got one confirmation candle for the buy entry. For the buy entry, mark this high and mark this low. See the stop loss and target. Stop loss is very simple, only 40 point stop loss as per the spot. So first target you have to keep minimum 40 points. See, from here we got the profit. Again we got the profit. So tomorrow what will happen? So tomorrow this candle indicating market is going to fall. See here, when the wick is towards upper side, it is showing that sellers are in control. When the wick is towards downside, towards earth side, it means that buyers are in control. So this candle, it is showing you that selling pressure. This candle is showing that buying pressure. But immediate next candle, it is not the buyer. And we are not telling this RC or CC. Okay, this is confusion making candle. And this candle it is showing you clearly it is a buyer's sell, buyers, and previous candle it is showing that it is a seller candle. So this is making some false signal. See here, this is mismatch. This candle is telling you buy and this candle is telling you sell. What you have to do? We have to avoid simply. Only if our trading system criteria matches, then only we have to take the trade. So hope it is clear. The first method we have to trade by default method. If you are not getting any trade in default mode, go for the noon session, then you trade. Even if you are not getting noon, go for the late noon, evening, and so on, you can get it. First method. Second method, you filter the trade. Don't enter immediately when the market is touching our buy zone or sell zone. Wait for the market to get a reversal from our side or any R3C. When you are finding an R3C, the stop loss will be very less and target will be 1:2 also you can keep. Okay, so that is the added advantage we have given. And GC you can use to avoid the entry. What is GC? Jan candle or Bahubali candle, you can use it to avoid the entry, like in the even day. In the even day, this candle having more body size than the wick, which indicates that market is going to upper side. So there are many possibility that day our SL would have got, then it will fall. But fortunately our SL was safe. So continuous 2 to 3 Jan candle that day we have got. So what we have to do? We have to wait for the market to reverse. Don't enter immediately. So in such cases you can easily avoid the losses. So you can see here itself we got the Jan candle, green candle. Here one more candle, here one more candle. So here we are getting the R3C pattern. Perfectly we are in a profit. So hope it is very clear. I have taught you 3 methods. One is by using the default one, another one how to avoid the trade using the GC candle, and another one how to take trade at any point of time at our support and resistance level using RC and CC, that is R3C method. If you are having any doubts in this, please practice, please write in your notebook and do number of times same thing. When you are convinced, when you are used to this strategy, then you can practice more. So this is the another update we have given. What about the other things we have given? Earlier we had some moving averages in this iCore 2.0. Now we completely removed everything, because the price action methods we have added, instead of the moving average and all, it is already available in the market. You can easily get it for free. But we will not let you to go to get the other indicator from the market. Rather we will give you for free for as a complimentary. And this candle, if you see MST OHL and Heikenhashi candle and Heikenhashi calculation, if you see here, so in a normal candle you can see Heikenhashi pattern. In a normal candle you can see Heikenhashi pattern, Heikenhashi high, Heikenhashi low, and like you can see. So how to use that open high low of Heikenhashi, I will release one more video. So now today's video is purely about R3C, when to avoid the trade, when to take the entry, how to book the profit, how to do scalping trading. Everything is clearly explained using this method. Please practice this. If you have any doubts, please ask us. We are ready to help you. And one more thing, when you are subscribed to this indicator, you will be also getting this iTrend 2.0 and MTF 2.0 as complimentary. So what is there in this iCore iTrend 2.0 and MTF 2.0? So here you can see many things we have added. So session breakout we have given here, CPR we have given, and MST support and resistance level we have given, dynamic support and resistance, everything is customized. Moving average we have given 1, 2, 3, 4 level, and moving average crossover you have given. So you can give any value here in the top 3 moving averages, then you can see whenever the crossover is occurring. Then super trend, customized super trend, and customized moving average based trend line, you can see next level trend line, and label buy sell label, and RSI based trend line. So all those things we have given in single indicator. See here, lower high, higher high, lower high. If you know the price action method, you can use them. So all the features are available in a single indicator. So these are all these, don't ask us how to use, that you have to learn yourself. Okay, we are giving as a complimentary, but we are not going to teach you how to use. It is based on your already existing price action knowledge. And what is there in this MTF core indicator? Here if we see in the settings, so here we have given the option to find today's CPR and tomorrow's CPR. We have given the options here, you can enable. If you want to find, calculate the today's CPR, you can select this today high, today weekly high, this week high, this month high, like that you can calculate. Then previous day high and low, session breakout also here given, weekly high and low, weekly CPR, previous week close, all these are already available, but we have done some customization. For pivot calculation, we have some up to 7 method of calculation. You can use any one as per your convenience. So hope it is clear. If you have any other volume candle also we have given, so whichever candle is having more volume, so that also you can see. So hope it is very clear. If you have any doubts, please again watch the video. After that all your doubts will be clarified. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best. Wish you all a happy profitable day ahead.